Hello everybody, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today is Triple Play Thursday, which used to be Flyball Friday, but decided to move things around a little bit and still trying to figure out the exact schedule of how I want to do things. And I'm eliminating Wax Wednesday just because I just felt like 5 videos in a week was a bit too much for me to do. Just a bit too time consuming, or not really time consuming, but I just need a bit more time, and so I decided to cut that out. So I moved Flyball Friday up to Thursday, or to Triple Play Thursday, just to have things spread out a little bit. But everything else is staying the same. We're still going to have Slam Dunk Saturday, Snail Mail Sunday, and Touchdown Tuesday. So all that's going to be staying the same. For today's video, I'm going to be ripping some 2020 Series 1 Fat Packs. Trying to find those final 12, I believe it's 12 players cards I'm looking for to complete the base set, and put the list back here, and that way I can just have it there as I'm trying to complete it, and hoping to fill in those final 12 spots, or at least some of them today. Doubt I'll be getting all of them. If I did, that would be awesome, but very unlikely. But, yeah, so we're going to be opening up these and hoping to fill in some of the spots. So, let's get ripping. And as always, looking for some Kansas City Royals, hoping to find maybe some rainbows, foils, golds. Anything else would be awesome too. Who knows, maybe we'll even pull an autograph. We can carry over from my last baseball video. That luck carry over, that'd be awesome. Pulled that printing plate the last time, but we'll see. Got Justin Turner, Oscar Mercado, Garrett Cooper, Brad Hand, Dario Agrazal, something like that. Aaron Hicks, Jeff Samar. Let's call him Jeff. Marce Dubon, Bryce Harper, Zach Wheeler, German Marquez, or Jermaine Marquez, Zach Lamb, got a rainbow foil coming up. Ben Gamble, our rainbow foil is a Jack Lee Bradley Jr. Pretty cool. A Decade's Best, Robin Yount. Turkey Red, got Lewis, Kyle Lewis, rookie card. Murphy, Sean Murphy. Then Luke Jackson, Mike Toshman, David Price, Roman Quinn, Alex Colomb, James Paxton, Dylan Cease, Omar Narvaez, Reese McGuire, Matt Theus, Juan Soto, Tim Anderson, League Leaders, Jose Abreu, League Leaders, Gleyber Torres, League Leaders, Garrett Cole. I think, maybe not, never mind. Thought I was missing him. Jan Mankato, Franmil Reyes, David Daw, and Adbert Alzoile. A lot of tricky names in that one. Been getting better at them, but I guess I'm kind of regressing a bit in this episode. The buff man's been giving me a hard time about how I pronounce some of the names, so he's probably enjoying this. Aaron Judge, Jameer Candelaria, Brandon McKay, Jake Marcinic, Patrick Sandoval, Jorge Polanco, Domingo Santana, Evan Longoria, Jordan Zimmerman, Ian Desmond, Luis Castillo, Yolmer Sanchez, Zach Collins. Got a gold Mitch Garver, 243 out of 2020. Pretty nice. Decade's Best, Tom Seaver. Turkey Reds got Biggio, DeGrom, Nolan Hernando, Aaron Civale, Justin Verlander. Sorry. Believe I'm missing, or not, never mind. Mercedes Aquino, I already have him. I was thinking it's Yordan Alvarez I'm missing, not Aquino. Luis Garcia, Sean Doolittle, Brandon Belt, Pete Alonso, league leader, Merrill Kelly, King Giles, Willie Adames, Chicago Cubs teams card, Tammy Yolmer, Steven Strasburg, World Series, Orlando Arcea, Jake Rogers, Whit Merrifield, KC, PC hit there, Sam Hillard, and Enrique Hernandez. At the end, I'll go through and check all the numbers, see if there's any filled any of the spots I'm missing. Don't think I have so far, but I could be wrong. Sonny Gray, Fernando Tatis Jr., Tim Anderson, Manny Machado, Dwight Smith Jr., Max Scherzer, Lourdes Gurriel Jr., probably butchered that one, Danny Holtzen, Chance Sisco, Nick Solak, Jacob Wagazupak, I highly doubt that's it, Angels team card, Hollywood Heroes, Big Air, Big Hair, Miles Mikolas, got a Decade's Best, Jeff Bagwell, Turkey Red, got an Aquino, rookie, and Garrett Cole, Rafael Devers, JT Realmuto, Zach Greinke, Taylor Rogers, Jose Martinez, Randall Grichuk, Carson Kelly, Christian Yelich, Paul Goldschmidt, Atlanta Braves, Goodbye Home Run, Roberto Perez, Freddie Peralta, Logan Allen, Brandon Woodruff, Nelson Cruz, Jan Moncada, and Franmil Reyes. Last pack. Mitch Garver, Chris Davis, Ahmed Rosario, Andrew Cashner, Nick Solak, rookie card, got Jay Bruce, Robert Garcia, Patrick Corbin, Robbie Grossman, Janelle Davis, Jalen, wow, Janelle, I don't know where that came from, Jalen Davis, Jameson Talon, Andrew Miller, Boston Red Sox team card, got a black? Yeah, black out of 299, 1965 Topps Baseball, Pete Alonso, Topps Choice. I don't know if that's the, I guess it's just Topps Choice, but that's still pretty cool out of 299. Hoskins. All right, 85, Shane Bieber. Turkey Red got Bogarts, Machado. I think it's like my third or fourth Machado. I think it's my third. Mike Yastrzemski, Carlos Rodon, Hunter Renfroe, Kyle Hendricks, Jose Pegley, Blake Parker. Oh, I am missing Blake Parker. Shane Green. Have Shane Green. Jose Abreu. Gleyber Torres. Garrett Cole. Caleb Smith. Max Scherzer. It's not a... No, never mind. Tommy La Stella. Sean Murphy. Jose Peters. Oh my goodness. I'm just getting ahead of myself. Jock Peterson. And future stars Jeff McNeil. No idea where Jose was coming from. No excuse for that one. Okay, I'm going to check real quick, see if how many of the spots I maybe filled in. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I went through all the cards and I was able to knock 3 off of the list. So I'm down to 9 that I'm needing now. Got Zach Collins, Kyle Hendricks, and Blake Parker. And also I was going through, I realized that this Miles McCollus was an advanced stat card. Number 148 of 300. So that's pretty cool. I believe that's the first advanced stat card I found. And so that was a nice surprise. So that's it for this video. Hope everyone enjoyed it. I'll be ripping more 2020 Series 1 in the future just to try to finish that up. I have some more stuff held back. Not sure what my next baseball video will be. I have a week to plan that one, but don't forget to tune in on Saturday for Slam Dunk Saturday, where I'll be opening up some more of these 91-92 Upper Deck basketball cards and searching for Michael Jordan and some of the other big stars. And so I'll be doing that on Saturday, so don't forget to turn in for that. And hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Stay healthy, and until next time, later.